Hi there. Today I would like to talk about chords. It's one of my favorite subjects. I think chords are a wonderful thing. They add emotional depth to the music, and there's many different kinds. There's sad chords, happier ones, or even happier. You can get mysterious chords, something like this maybe. There's chords that sound very Spanish to our ears, I think. That one or that one. There's chords that are used in blues music or funk, that kind of thing. Or there's very strange chords, something like this. Basically, chords are just the sounding together of several notes at the same time. First of all, I would like to introduce numbers for each string so you know what I'm talking about. So let's call this string number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. The actual names of the strings are, this is the E string, E, the low E, then A, D, G, E, and a high E. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first chord I would like to show you is E minor. For E minor, in your left hand you need your middle finger and your ring finger. The middle finger goes on string number 2, 2nd fret, here. The ring finger just above string number 3, 2nd fret. That's E minor. A very common problem when playing chords for the first time is that you might end up dampening some of the strings that you actually want to sound. You want each string to sound. If you put your hand to flat, something like this, the sound that you will get is... Can you hear that? They're not all sounding. So what to aim for is something like comes straight from above. It's difficult to see, but basically right from the top, so you don't block any of the other strings. And also make sure you don't bend this way, but this way. So this is very strong, this is stable. Yeah? You can always check by playing each note one after the other. This sounds fine, this sounds fine, this sounds fine, 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 fine. Now to practice that chord, I think the best thing you can do, which will make it a lot easier than to learn it, is to visualize where to put your fingers before you actually put them there. So rather than just going, okay, where is it again? Where's the book? No, you don't do it like that. You think before, you visualize it in your head. Okay, I'm going to put my middle finger on the 2nd fret on string number 2, my ring finger on the 2nd fret on string number 3. I can actually see it already. I can see where I'm going to put my fingers here, and then try to do it in one efficient movement. Relax and relax again. Now this E minor chord has quite a dark quality, I think you would agree. Or people would describe it as sad. So I'd like to cheer it up now. So basically just leave those fingers where they are. And if you notice, you got two fingers which are free, which is your index finger and your little finger. Now we're going to use the index finger and put it on the 1st fret on string number 4 here. So we're just adding another note. And now it sounds... that's nice. So going from 1st fret to... that's nice. So now you know two chords. You know E minor and E major. I'm going to show you a third chord now, which is basically go back to E major. So middle finger on the string number 2, 2nd fret, ring finger, string number 3, 2nd fret, and index finger, string number 4, 1st fret. Now you shift this whole shape just this way. So each finger just moves to the next string. So this one stays on the same fret, just goes to a string above. Here, this one is the same, this one the same. So it's exactly the same shape. Middle finger, second fret, but now it's on string number 3. No, yeah, string number 3. Ring finger, string number 4 on the second fret, and this one is on string number 5, first fret. And this sounds like this. And this, and now we're going back to E major. They actually sound good together. So it's just the same shape. Now to practice those chords, what I really think is important that you take one at a time. So start with the easiest one, E minor, and just only play E minor until you're really comfortable. So move back and forth. Then you do the next one, E major. Now you go from E minor to E major. That's the next step. So go from one chord to the other, rather than just trying each on its own. So you go E minor, E major, and back, and back. Now you go from E major to A minor. Shift the whole thing over, as ever, be patient. It does take time. It will sound. I still remember learning chords, and it does take some time to make them work. They sound like, and you can't get it right. And it is quite difficult to start with. But the more you practice, the easier it gets, and you will all get there if you just try. Maybe try one chord a week or something. Anyway, so thanks for watching, and see you next time.